Get rid of. Get rid of means to remove something, to throw something away, or to stop having something. What I want you to focus on here is that it's about eliminating something you don't want. If you get rid of something, you remove it, you delete it, you throw it away, or eliminate it. It can be physical, emotional, mental, or abstract. Let's look at some common real-life examples, specifically relating to physical objects. Let's say you have a lot of clothes in your closet that don't fit you. You could say, I need to get rid of these old clothes. We could also say, she's getting rid of her old phone. Or, let's get rid of this broken chair. This is very common with clothes, furniture, trash, and old things. Now, if we use get rid of for problems and situations, we could say, for example, let's imagine you have a really bad headache and you can't get it to go away. You could say, how can I get rid of this headache? Or you could say, we need to get rid of this problem fast. We need this problem to go away quickly. Or, they finally got rid of the bugs. Now, if we look at get rid of relating to habits and feelings, I want you to imagine somebody that bites their nails all the time. And a friend says to them, you should really stop biting your nails. That person could say, I'm trying to get rid of that bad habit. You could also say, she wants to get rid of stress. She's stressed out all the time and she doesn't want to get stressed out anymore. Or, he can't get rid of that fear. Now, just to do a quick comparison, if you say throw away, we're talking about something physical only. Whereas if we say get rid of, this can be physical, emotional, or abstract. Now repeat after me. Get rid of. Get rid of. Get rid of.